Hi, so I bought this 32-piece electronics repair screwdriver set on Amazon, and I just wanted to share with you the unboxing, what you get and what these different screwdrivers and accessories are actually used for. Okay, so let's get it unboxed. So this is how it will come provided in a cardboard box, and then you get the actual set itself in another plastic box here, and this is really nice and robust, so this is going to keep everything nice and neatly together, because remember, these are quite small screwdriver bits and they're very easy to lose. So having this case makes it really easy to keep everything together, so you can just grab this and you know that you're going to have everything that you need for the job. So let's just get it open. So there's a little clip here on the front, and then that opens like so. There's a protective shield here just to stop everything falling around, but if I just close that without that in, you can see there that everything locks in, so you don't necessarily need to keep this cover in if you don't want to, because everything locks into place. So what do you actually have in here? So you can see here that you have a rubber sucker, you have this plastic thin edge clip here, and this is used to pry open normally cases on phones, mobile phones, and because it's plastic, it's not going to damage the edges of the phone. That's really nice. This is purely for mobile phones, so what you would do is, if you wanted to pull the screen off, you stick that onto your phone, and then that really gives you the leverage then to pull that front cover off, or that glass screen off of your mobile. Then we've got some other tools here. So naturally you have all your different screwdriver bits for undoing laptops, for phones, for watches, for sunglasses. This has just multiple uses and is so handy to have around the house. So for example, I have a pair of sunglasses which one of the actual arms is loose, and I'm going to try now to tighten that. Now I've ordered this pack, I'm going to try to get that tightened and see whether that works. So you also have your tweezers in here. Now these are coated, electrostatic coated, so they're not going to cause any issues when you're working with inside circuit boards and trying just to lift out screws maybe that have fallen, or circuit boards that need to be popped off of the main circuit board. These are really useful, really come in handy. And there's a little protective rubber cap that goes on the end there that holds it together. Again, that clips in. Then you have your main screwdriver here. So what's really nice is you have a rotating pin on the end here, so when you're doing that, you can see there that it's not going to be rubbing the palm of your hand, and that just turns, and that's always really great to see. So the screwdriver set can just slot in like so. This is magnetic, so it will pick up the screws using the magnetic screwdriver, which is really nice. And you also have this handy extension here which can go in like so, and that's going to really be useful for those really out of reach screws where you need to get deeper into the laptop or whatever you're working on. So that's nice. Also, you have these plastic jimmies here which will allow you again to leverage screens, leverage phones apart without damaging them, so that's really nice to see that that's included. And you have also here a key for removing SIM cards from phones. So pretty much everything you're going to need to do the job. The quality feels really nice. The case is really nice to have, so it just keeps everything nicely together. You also have a hook here at the top, so you can hang that up in your garage or your shed, so that you can easily find it, unhook it, take it with you, and you're off to go. So that's pretty much it. So this is the Amazon Basics. It's the 32-piece set. It's available on Amazon in this red colour, and it comes highly recommended.